What's happening, everyone? Welcome back to the workshop. Now, I found this crotchety old thing on the side of the road. I've no idea what it is, but I'm going to stick it on the lathe and see if we can turn a bowl out of it. It's a bit of an experiment, so let's just jump in and do it. It is full of dirt and crap, so we'll try and get most of this stuff off. It looks like it had some ivy vines growing through it as well, but I don't know, I'm hoping there's going to be an interesting grain pattern somewhere in here amongst all this crazy stuff. So I'll give this a quick clean off now. I'll take it to the bandsaw, chop off these limbs, cut this section out, and I might try and turn a bowl out of this part. We'll see, I don't know. Okay, we are all cut up on the bandsaw, and it looks like there might be some interesting grain inside in this thing going on. So yeah, again, I'm not sure what it is, but we're going to turn on the lathe and find out. So let's get the faceplate on it and we'll get it mounted up. So roughly center. Okay, let's attack this thing and see what we get. Let's do it cautiously. This should be interesting. Let's turn the speed right down. Okay, it's pretty full of holes and stuff, but it's not as hard as the ash that I was turning, so it mightn't be too bad. Here's where we're at so far, and I kind of like the bark effect running through the bowl, so I don't know, I'm going to keep going now and see if I can keep some of this. Obviously I don't want this rotting in the bowl, but yeah, we'll keep going and see how this turns out. It's all experimenting anyway. Okay, I've hit it with some Yorkshire grit, or sanded to 600 grit, then polished it with some Yorkshire grit, and I've just hit it with some sanding sealer. So that's what we're looking like now. It's not too bad. So let's flip this around now and let's see if we can do the inside. we go, the inside is now hollowed out. It's looking pretty good. It's going to be a nice decorative bowl. So I'm going to hit this with some sandpaper now, get it to 600 grit just like the outside. And hit it with a bit of Yorkshire grit, and then we get a finish on it. Let's do it. Right, there we go. Hit it with a bit of Yorkshire grit and a small bit of sanding sealer. And let's get it off this thing. We'll sort out the base and get some final finish on it. But yeah, not too bad for a roadside crotchety piece of wood. Messy business that wood turning, but we're almost there now. So the base is sanded perfectly flat. Actually, it's a little bit concave, so just to help it sit better. And I'm just going to hit it with a bit of Danish oil now, get a nice oil on this bowl. But the wood turning skills are improving. I was able to start from 120 grit sandpaper rather than 60 grit sandpaper this time, so that's a positive. So Danish oil, let's get some on. A nice little experiment just with a piece of wood that was found by the side of the road, and yeah, it's amazing what you can do on a lathe. Right, there we go. One natural edged outside and inside bowl from a piece of roadside crotch timber. And yeah, that's pretty nice. I'm actually really happy with how that turned out. It's a really nice decorative piece, and it was quite fun to make. It didn't take that long, just a couple of hours. So yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed that video. If you're new here, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Comments and questions below. And you've seen me using the shop, you want to know about it, just ask. No problem at all. All links to my tools and everything that I recommend are in the description. And yeah, that's it. It's not time for a beer, but it is time for dinner. So I gotta get out of here. See you in the next one.